Anybody knows that the air inside staterooms, salons, galleys, and other interior spaces can often get a touch stale and on the nose. Mould, mildew, and a host of pollutants and allergens can create the kind of nasty odours that tend to put family and friends off their boating game. This clever gadget from Dometic, called the Breathe ionizer, will fix those nasty problems for good. Breathe uses positively and negatively charged ions to reduce pathogens and mould spores by attacking their core structure. Bad smells and VOCs, or volatile organic compounds, are reduced as the ions break them down on a molecular level. This new system neutralises airborne contaminants like allergens, mould spores, and bacteria. As ions in the air are attracted to particles, their size is increased, which allows them to be captured by the marine air conditioning system or simply fall out of the air. As a result, air pollution in the cabin is significantly reduced without the need for thick filters, which require frequent maintenance and replacement. The Breathe ionizer goes beyond just cooling or dehumidifying, operating quietly in the background without placing additional strain on your boat's power system. It brings balance to the indoor atmosphere, creating a fresher overall environment. To install, seafarers just need to drill a couple of holes anywhere in the airflow path, install the brush grommets, then have your marine sparky connect the power to the unit. And there you have it. You're now breathing clean, purified, odour-free air.